Okay, are you ready for this? I'm not sure I am, but here goes. I am the very model of a modern cloud developer. I know exactly how to get all of you free on Azure. Build a VM, I don't care, it's Windows or it's Linux time, although with Linux it is surely harder now to find a rhyme. I'm very well acquainted too with matters of intelligence, the artificial kind, of course, of that I have much evidence. Read emotions, guess my age, and analyze the sentiment. Or analyze an image and see if you find an elephant. Yes, analyze an image and see if you find an elephant. Analyze an image and see if you find an elephant. Analyze an image and see if you find an elephant. Build a website you can choose from Node.js or Python 2, or maybe a chatbot that answers questions written just by you. In short, as now you start to hack, no matter what the coding stack, the APIs we do not lack for current cloud developers. So yes, as now you start to hack, no matter what the coding stack, the APIs we do not lack for current cloud developers. Serverless is quite a thing, and yes, we have containers now. Deploy from GitHub if you choose, just stop by, we will show you how. Need more power? Build a cluster, run your code in parallel. Notebooks, training models can give you a chance to rest a spell. I can show you speech to text and translate that to Japanese, then figure out just who is speaking. When, oh yeah, that's just a breeze. Need to store some data, whether structured or just in key pairs. Or measure accuracy of your model using the least squares. Yes, measure accuracy of your model using the least squares. Measure accuracy of your model using the least squares. Measure accuracy of your model using the least squares. Then I can write a line of code that connects out to IoT. I do hope that this song ends soon. It really pushed my sanity. So truly, as you start to hack, no matter what the coding stack, the APIs we do not lack for current cloud developers. Microsoft is challenging you to use Azure in your hack here at Hack the North. I just mentioned a few of the Azure features that are available. There's a whole series of them out. The first step is to sign up for your free Azure, no credit card required, at aka.ms/Azure for Students. Then stop by our booth or visit docs.microsoft.com to find tutorials, quick starts, and instructions on how to use those different services. We're happy to help you, but please don't make me sing the song again.